What's up guys, it's Robert and you're watching GentStyle. Today's video is for those guys and girls that are looking for an affordable, stylish pair of glasses that's not necessarily going to break the bank. So first off, I'd like to thank Lensmart for reaching out to me a few weeks ago. They offered to send me 5 pair of glasses. In exchange, I'd do a review for you guys and show you guys their products and also offer you a 20% off discount code. If you've been watching the channel for a while, you know I only recommend quality products, and so when these glasses arrived, just from the packaging, I knew that they were something that was going to be worthwhile talking about for you guys. All the glasses came in these little bitty boxes. They're very nice, very minimal. There's not a lot of designs and different graphics and stuff going on. Very simple, very sleek. You're going to open this. Came in 3 to 4 days, and I was greeted by the little package that has the glasses in. This is like a leather case. It's very solid. It has a little band that you pull around, and then once you open it, you're going to be greeted with the glasses. Also in each box there is a little package, and in that package it has a lens wipe, and then it also has a small little cotton case if you want to carry your glasses in that as well. So the 5 pair that I chose to show you guys today are kind of the foundational pairs that you want in your wardrobe. You have just a rim frame, which is, very simple across the board. You also have a clear frame. You have a tortoiseshell frame. This is one of my favorites, very simple. There's also like an aviator style. This one is kind of my least favorite. And my most favorite, which is this black kind of matte finished pair of glasses. These are my favorite ones out of the bunch. They look very nice. They go well with a lot of stuff. A thing that I really like about each pair is the fact that they're all minimal and sleek. There's not, too crazy of a design pattern in these. They all have very nice hinges on the glasses. They feel very solid, each pair. I've ordered glasses from brands in the past that have not had solid hinges out of the box, where their hinges would literally be loose, like falling and flopping around. But these are very solid, and I think they're going to hold up pretty well over time. As far as my initial thoughts of trying on all the glasses, they all fit very well. They look very nice. All the prescriptions are perfect, so I can see out of them. They got the pupillary distance right. They got all of my other qualifications that I sent them in the right way. And so each pair came back. I can see out of them. They all look good and they are stylish. The pricing of all the frames, they are very affordable. They range from $48 to $60. There's no upsell. They're not trying to charge you extra stuff for, thinner lenses if you have a thick prescription or all that kind of stuff. All of that is included in the price. And then another thing that's really cool about these is the shipping is included in there. And so it's shipped by DHL and they arrive within 3 to 5 days. And I can attest to that because mine came in 3 days. So, you don't have to pay an extra $14 like with Zenni and have the glasses arrive in 7 to 14 days. You get what you pay for, you get great quality, you get these affordable glasses, and they're gonna come in a quick amount of time. And with that $48 to $60 price for the frames, Lensmart did decide they wanted to include a 20% off code for you guys, the viewers at home. So if you are interested in these frames and you're looking for your next pair, definitely check out Lensmart. The link is down below, and they do offer a 20% off discount code for my viewers. The code is GentStyle20, and that's going to be valid for the lifetime that this video is up, so forever. So if you're watching this video in 2022 or 2023, this offer is still valid for you. The next thing I wanted to talk about briefly was just the ordering process in general. It's very simple. All you have to do is go on their website, and they're going to have all the frames laid out for you by your gender or by the style, however you want to do it. And you can pick all your frames, add them to your cart, and then it's going to give you an option to upload your prescriptions. The number specifically, that's what I did, and you can put that in there. And then they're not going to upsell you on anything else. They're just going to get to the point. The process is very simple, very easy, and very straightforward. Anyone can do it, even my grandmother. And so I definitely think it's a great option. And the thing that gets me the most about this brand is the fact that they don't have any upsells. Whether you're ordering from, I forgot the brand, it's in the mall, but they're like $95 a pair, and that's just for the base price, Zenni as well, they're going to be cheap up front, so they're going to have like a $6 price tag, but it's going to be $20 or $30 to add on all the other stuff. And so it's definitely something that's kind of annoying because all these brands, they're out to make money and they want to upsell you. But Lensmart, they keep it relatively simple by just including the basics, the basic frames, the basic features, blue light blocking, the anti-reflective coating, and you're going to get your glasses in 3 to 5 days. So if you are looking for a very nice, sleek, minimal pair of glasses, I definitely recommend that you check out the link down below. Lensmart. They're a relatively new company, but they offer a great variety of glasses and products, and they're very affordable. And also remember that they graciously have included a 20% off discount code for you, the viewer at home, that you can take advantage of to get these glasses for even cheaper than $48 or $60. So guys, that's today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did so, please be sure to hit that like button. Also go ahead and subscribe and share. And with that being said, I'm Robert, this is GentStyle, and I will see you in the next video.